Hello and welcome to the last video in this function series. In this video, we'll be covering the concept of inverse function. If you haven't watched my previous video on composite functions, you can just click on the link that is on the top right of this video and you can just watch this video. So now basically what are inverse functions? So if I write the function f of x is equal to 3x plus 2. So basically this is a normal function. So in order to find out the inverse of this function, let me first tell you that how we represent inverse function. So in order to write inverse function, we write it like this: f to the power minus 1 x. So this represents inverse function. So whenever in any question, if you encounter this thing f raised to the power minus x and then in bracket it is written x, it means that you need to find out inverse function. So basically this f of x, it's a normal and simple function, and whenever this is raised to the power minus 1, it means that it is an inverse function. So now let me tell you what are the steps to find out inverse function. So over here you have f of x as 3x plus 2. So the first step is just write y is equal to 3x plus 2. So what I have done over here is I just write this function f of x as y is equal to 3x plus 2. The second step is you need to replace y with x and x with y. What does that mean? It simply means that in place of y, just write x, and in place of x, just write y. That's it. So over here, I will replace this y with x. So it will be x is equal to 3 and x with y. So it will be y plus 2. So the second step is just replace y with x and x with y. That's it. So now the equation is x is equal to 3y plus 2. The third step is you need to make y the subject of this equation again. So if I make y the subject, it will be x minus 2 is equal to 3y. Now it will be x minus 2 divided by 3 is equal to y. So we can write it like this as well: y is equal to x minus 2 over 3. This x minus 2 upon 3 is the inverse function of x. You can write it like this: f minus 1 x is equal to x minus 2 upon 3. So this is your inverse function. Hope the concept of inverse function is clarified. Still, if you have any question, do let me know in the comment section below. Thank you.